Happy Friday, everybody! We're here to talk about selling Avon online. If you're a member of my Primetime Social Selling Facebook group, you are interested in selling online. Okay, so that's what we're going to talk about today. But first, let's talk about selling online. A lot of people join Avon, they want to sell online, but they're disillusioned in thinking that all I have to do is create a Facebook page and put my link out there and the sales are just going to fly in. Well, you'll get sales, but you're not going to get consistent sales. That's not enough. If it was that easy, we'd have a bunch of millionaires all around us. So there is more work involved. This is a journey. Okay, it's a marathon. We're not driving through the fast food lane at McDonald's, ordering our meal in a few car links. We got our dreams come true. It doesn't happen that quickly. You have to take the time and you got to put in the work to getting it done. Okay, so what is the difference? Let's look at the differences between selling online and selling face-to-face. The first difference is how you're spending your time, okay? You're going to spend more time on your phone and you're going to spend more time in front of a computer. And I am going to suggest a desktop computer or a laptop computer because if you're going to create images and you're going to do a lot of typing content, it's easier to do that on a laptop or a desktop than sit there and try to do that on your phone. It's going to be better for you. So you're going to spend more time in front of a computer than out face-to-face, okay? So if you need that one-on-one contact, then maybe selling online isn't the thing for you, but maybe it's just an additional thing that you don't have the high expectations of a lot of sales. They're just complimentary type sales. Or you can help people, your face-to-face customers, buy online. Also, you're going to buy less physical supplies, but more digital supplies. What does that mean? So if you're concentrating on building an online business, you may not buy as many brochures. You may not buy as many samples. You might buy less. But you might want the pro version of Canva. So now you're buying a subscription to an app. So your money, instead of buying physical supplies, you might buy something that supports your online business. So those are the major comparisons. So it's a choice. It's a choice you want to make. So I'm going to go through five areas of selling online that is critical to basically master in order to be successful with selling Avon online. The first is social media. Okay, so what I'm going to talk about with social media is one, keep it positive and keep it social. That's why people are on social media. People did not get on social media to see commercials. They got onto social media because they wanted to connect with people. They wanted to see what people did. They want to join groups and see like-minded folks and what they're doing. They join social media for these reasons. So when you're in there, keep it social and keep it positive. Now, you do hear about the 80-20 rule. So what the 80-20 rule is 80% of your content is personal, hobbies, what you did on the weekend type posts, and 20% is your business. So when you look at a campaign is 14 days. So 20% of that is 2, maybe 3 posts a campaign. So you've got 11, 12 days of other types of postings you need to do. But don't go too heavy on one thing. So if you like doing motivational quotes, that's great. But let's not do a motivational quote every day. Because again, people don't want to see the same thing over and over and over again. Change it up. If you got kids, post what your kid did to you today. If you got pets, post things about your pets, what you did on the weekend, the hike that you made, the travels, everything that you did, post other things. Keep it social. Now, Pinterest, on the other hand, is more about product information. People go onto Pinterest to find out information. So it is okay to post more of that, but again, you got to be careful. Don't just post a bunch of Avon stock photos. And when I say stock photos, that's when you go into your e-store or your Avon Now office and you look up a product and there's just a picture of the plain product. Do not post those. Now, if they sometimes have other images, don't just post those either, because those are stock photos. They're a dime a dozen. Lots of people have used them. Avon even has them out there. So Pinterest wants fresh, custom content. You need to customize them a little bit more. Take your own pictures or use those pictures and add a message to it. Add a personal message to that picture to customize it to you. Okay? So that's the first one, social media and Pinterest. Number 2 is leverage your e-store. A critical thing for your online business is your email list. Your e-store has a sweepstakes. Every month, it's a new sweepstakes. This is an awesome way to build your email list. Avon has email marketing campaigns constantly. And this is to your advantage. They are sending them out to your customers in your behalf and sending them to your e-store to buy product from you. So you want to build that email list. And that's a good way to start doing that. And it's free. Also, again, your e-store has graphic images and it has text. So it's got information about each of the products. So if you're struggling on what to write on a posting or on a Pinterest description, go to your e-store, look up the product, and read what it says. It lists ingredients, it lists the benefits, and it usually has a little blurb about the product. You got it right there at your fingertips. Number 3 is leverage the digital tools that Avon has for you. So you got the promotion tool, you have the virtual makeover tool, and you have the digital catalog. So you can text, email, post, all of these items. You know, you can send that catalog out. So you don't have to buy as many because you can just text it to your friend. You can email it to your mother. So utilize those as your tools. Number 4. And number 4 is a little intimidating for some folks, and that is you got to get to know technology. If you're wanting to master online selling, you need to get involved with technology. There's no ifs and buts about it. You have to. Just do one at a time. Okay, just one at a time. First, learn your social medias, learn your Pinterest, and then start tackling things like your Google Chrome extensions, how you can improve your own productivity. Take a look at MailChimp, Constant Contact, so you can create landing pages or you can create your own email marketing. Canva, to me I should have said that one first. Canva, because you can make your Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest pins and postings. You can write newsletters, you can make flyers, you can make your own videos in Canva. There's so much that you can do in Canva that would benefit online selling. And Canva does have a free version and they have a pro version. I've been a pro version user for many years. And I can't even tell you, sometimes I forget what the free has and doesn't have because I've had pro for so long. But that's what I mentioned at the beginning. You know, that's one of the comparisons where you might buy less of this, but you're going to start investing in your business from a digital perspective. Number 5 is maybe you want to create your own website, create your own blog. Put out your own custom and personal content, your viewpoint on products, and your testimonies, your friends, your family's testimonies. Maybe you just talk about the products, and you can send that blog link to your friends. You can post it as one of your postings on social media. And you can create images for Pinterest that link back to your blog, driving traffic to your blog to gain more customers. So there you have it. You have 5 ways to do that. I know sometimes we get caught up in the trap that we got to do something. We just got to make sure what we do is a good something, and that it's not something that's going to destroy us or frustrate us, because sometimes we can go, I posted and nothing happened. Well, look at what you're doing. If it's not working, you try something different. It can get frustrating, but if you keep doing the same thing and not getting the results, you're creating the cause of your frustration. So you try something new, and if you don't see any results at all, then you try something different. So look at your social media, look at Pinterest, leverage your e-store, and leverage the digital tools. Use that text and use Messenger. Get to know your technology. That one's a big one. And create your own website. Okay, y'all. Have a great Friday, and I'll talk to you next week. Bye.